Hello Fly Babies, it's me, your Flylady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Thursday, and it is Errand Day. So we're going to start with our morning routine, get up before the family, do our morning routine, get ourselves ready, our skin ready, our hair ready, get our bathroom ready, our kitchen ready. It takes very little time. Our bed is made, and if we can, if someone's not still in it. And then we can wake up our family and go through the morning routine. Once that is done, then if you're a payroll fly baby, you're off to work. If you're an at-home fly baby, you're going to jump right into your 3-layer cake. The first is your routines. You have 5 of them. The second, we've already done one. The second one is your laundry and an inch of paper if you still have clutter in your home, paper clutter. And then the last 3 are done, the last 2 are done in the evening. All right, so if you're payroll, you're going to go to work and work. You're going to follow your control journal. You're going to do a great job at work. And then on your lunch hour, your break, you're going to think about who you're delegating to for that weekly home blessing hour and what you're doing in your zone. And then today is errand day, so you may want to run an errand or 2 on your lunch hour. You may order your groceries, you may put your order in, you may delegate your groceries, whatever. So errands are today, or you may put them off till Saturday. Maybe you'll put in your order, or at least begin it, finish it during the week, and then on Saturday, go pick them up or have someone order them and have them delivered. Order them on Friday, though I think you need a day in most cases. Okay, order them today to be done on Friday, Saturday, whatever. You can do that. I don't have to figure that out for you, right? Good. All right, now, if you're at home, you're going to go right after your morning routine. You may want to go into zone 4 first, which is your bedroom. 10 minutes in there if there's no clutter, 15 if there's clutter, and then go do your errands. Make sure you have your list, you've got your budget, you know how much you're going to spend. Bring cash if you don't trust yourself with a card. Spend $1 less if you can. That's a great little fun thing to do, and it makes you feel strong, gives you some control. And then do all the other things that you're going to do today. Do you need to go to the library, the post office, the dress shop, the dry cleaners, the jewelers? I mean, there's a million things that you might have to do. So go do those things, and when you get home, empty the groceries, put them in your nice clean fridge, make sure you prep the things that need to be prepped. I hope that you've started your dinner already, maybe in your crock pot, or you have something super easy tonight. Maybe it's hot dog bar, who knows. But it's an easy night, and then after dinner, we have the after dinner routine and before bed routine. For our payroll fly babies, you're going to come home, start your laundry, go through an inch of paper if you still have paper clutter. It should be going away by bit. And before you know it, you won't have paper clutter. Just check your mail every day. And then start your supper, and then while supper is holding or in the crock pot or baking in the oven or whatever, then you're going to go into your bedroom and work in there for 10 minutes or 15 if you have clutter, and then maybe even 5 minutes if you just have a little job to do in there. And then you're going to look again, maybe take a few minutes with your grocery list. If you haven't finished that, maybe you can put that order in. Don't spend a lot of time on it because you just have about 20 to 25 minutes, and then it's dinner time. After dinner, we're all going to do our after dinner routine. Payroll fly babies, you're also going to inspect what you expect by checking to see that your child dusted or emptied the garbage or whatever it is you asked them to do for you today. Okay, after that, it's the after dinner routine, and then after dinner routine, the children are going to have their before bed routine, and then you're going to do yours. Let's focus on it again. It's cleaning your skin, it's taking your jewelry off and putting it away, it's combing the day out of your hair, or washing your hair, taking a bath or a shower if that's what you will, putting on your clean pajamas, putting your clothes away. If your clothes are clean, you can hang them up. If they're not clean, put them in the wash or spot them and let them dry. All right. Then after that, you're going to make sure your kitchen looks good, the sink is shiny, you've got a new cloth out there, the old one's in the wash, drying, or whatever. It could already be dry. And then I'm talking about your towel from cleaning your sink. It's going to get damp when you do that, so you might want to hang it over a basket or something to dry, but it might not be wet, so that's what I mean. And then let's see, we've done that. Okay, dish soap is already in the dishwasher, so if it's time to go to bed, close the light, close the blinds, the curtains, whatever, turn out the light. Well, before you turn out the light, turn on the dishwasher, turn out the light, and go to bed. In bed, you can read something, settle down, get ready for your 7 to 8 hours so that you'll feel refreshed in the morning. I hope that you didn't forget the thing that I forgot to say, to check your planner. That's critical that you do that before you even start your before bed routine. That's it for tonight. Have a wonderful evening, and I can't wait to see how great tomorrow goes for you. Always remember that you are beautiful.